Good morning, everybody. So it's a beautiful sunny August morning and I am out for a hike. Today we're going on a pretty good adventure. So we've got about 5 miles of hiking, about 4,000 feet up. We're going into the Alpine. And I've got my pack raft and my fishing pole. I'm hoping that we're gonna catch some trout. So let's see what happens. Woo! I switched into my cheetah print hiking shorts. They're a very high performance technical item. Just kidding. They're from Amazon. 20 bucks. Oh boy. The best part about hiking in the Alpine. Oh, delicious. Alpine blueberries. Oh man. This hike is gorgeous. Like, this is actually my first Alpine hike of the summer. I've been like mountain biking constantly, like an obsessed, possessed freak. I've just been riding my bike and hanging out in the woods. So usually I hike a ton, but this year it's been, had a little shift. I would have to say though, I'm kind of like totally dragging butt a little bit. In the winters, I go to the gym and do like weightlifting to kind of like train for skiing, train for mountain biking, and just stay strong. And I decided to start going to the gym again because it has AC. And I just did like, I think my second leg day since starting up again on Friday. And today's Monday, and I am still sore. I'm in so much pain. It's crazy how taking a few months off the gym, how your body just like shrivels up and gets all weak and pathetic again. The gym I go to is kind of like, it's a little bit intense. It's like basically like a powerlifting and bodybuilding gym. So I'm like surrounded by all these people that are just like jacked out of their mind, and then there's me and I'm just like, hello. You guys that watch this channel, you probably like mountain biking and skiing and like hiking. There's like, I don't think enough emphasis in the outdoor world on how important just like maintaining your fitness is. Maybe you get lost and you end up having to go 20 miles when you were only expecting to go 10. Having that extra baseline of fitness keeps you strong so that you're able to get yourself out of sketchy situations and then also go farther, explore more, have more fun. So like, that's kind of why on this channel I do workout videos sometimes. And I know it's kind of random because I'm not like a fitness YouTuber, but I kind of like making them for adventurous people like us. It's like literally the most important thing that you could do. So yeah, if you haven't yet, consider going to the gym. Oh man, the best part about hiking in the Alpine is this.
Yeah, sometimes like the white bounces off, or maybe there's too much highlight, or you know, something. Okay. You can drop shadows. So. Oh, I haven't got cell service. You do?
Really?
Yeah.
It is so pretty out right now. There's a lot of flies though, so sprayed some bug spray on my camera lens. So if this isn't focusing, sorry about that. The lake just came into view and it's actually way bigger than I was expecting. So I have high hopes about catching a fish today. I'm shooting for rainbow trout. That's usually what's up in these high lakes. I brought my camp stove, so if I catch one, I'm gonna make myself a little fresh caught lunch. Just saw a bear. Cute little black bear. He poked his head up and looked at us, but he just went around the corner. See if we can find him. Cute. Fish just jumped. I think we have a pretty good chance of catching a nice, tasty snack. Would have loved to show you the getting in the boat process, but I'm not gonna lie, it's not pretty and I just about swamped the whole thing, so it's for the best. This is so cool. First official cast. There's a lot of snags down on the bottom, so I'm gonna be pretty quick to reel it in. And I'm using a super duper lure. Oh my gosh, there's a fish trailing this all the way in. Okay, not the first cast, but I have a feeling it's not gonna take long to catch a keeper. Got a bite. Oh, I think I'm reeling it in. Oh, got one. Ah. Oh, it looks big. Got one. Ah. Mr. Fishy. We are going to become friends now. Apparently, I panic when I catch fish, so I forgot to film any close-ups, so here is some more trout cam for your enjoyment. Just got another one on. Oh boy. Oh, this one's feels heavy. Oh.
Come on.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Chunkster. These are crazy. I'm gonna keep this one too. I had no idea what was about to happen. Neither did he. Poor, poor Jeremy. Fell between my legs. Take it from me, that is a feeling that you never want to experience in short shorts. So far, caught 2 fish. I'm pretty happy. I am so stinky right now. I'm like covered in fish poo. It's pretty gross. Just went for a quick little swim to wash all the fish poo off of me, and now I spotted the inlet of the lake. That's where all the fresh water flows in, and usually that seems to be the best fishing in these lakes. So got a bit of a paddle, but I'm gonna paddle over there and see how the fishing is. Let it go. Alright, so here we are on the far side of the lake. I think right out here is going to be pretty prime fishing. Not that we need to try really, because this whole lake is pretty much prime fishing. I got one. This one feels quite small. Oh, I can see it. Got one. Little guy. I've caught my limit, 6 trout, so I'm gonna head in and we're gonna go cook one up right here, right now, before the hard, grueling hike home. Welcome to Cooking with Callie.
I've got most of them in my boat. The last one, oh my gosh.
All right, so cooking a fish is super easy. All I'm doing is olive oil and salt and pepper. You can take that and do it anywhere. Add some olive oil. A little hot. Turn that down real quick. We're just gonna plop it in. I'm gonna go wash my hands. Got my baggie of salt and pepper. I'm gonna douse this guy with our seasoning. While those are cooking, I'm gonna pick some blueberries. Yeah, they make that funny little sound. Mashing up some blueberries. I'm gonna grab some fireweed blossoms and put them in the sauce. This smells so good. Blueberry sauce. Blueberry sauce is done. I'm gonna empty this into a little cup. All right, let's sample it. It's looking yummy. Trout is pretty cool because the fish bones pretty much come right off when you grab the skeleton. So I'll show you this. Just gonna grab it. You can grab the vertebrae and pull, and they just slide right out. All right. Big old chunk of fish meat. Dip it in some sauce. Mmm. This is like 5-star restaurant stuff. Mmm. Well, the time has come to head home.
Outer limit.
Goodbye, amazing lake. Thank you for delivering delicious fishes that I will be enjoying all week. So for the wildlife count for today, I saw 2 bears, cute little black bears, probably like a billion trout, cutthroat mainly. Heard a marmot, heard a pika, heard a grouse, didn't see any of them. But the mountains up here are just packed with wildlife. We're gonna get home pretty late tonight, but spending the evening hiking down a trail at sunset when it's all golden and lit up, it's just awesome. It's starting to get dark on us, and we've still got about 1,800 feet of descent left, so I think we're gonna be getting back to the car a little after 8 maybe. Hopefully it doesn't get completely dark, but if it does, that's okay. We're prepared. I think the plan for the rest of the night is to make it to the bottom, and then I've got a bottle of blue Gatorade with my name on it. Thanks again for watching this video, supporting the channel. Head to my website if you want to check out some more adventure content. I've got blog posts about survival skills. I've also got plenty more on this video. And then I wrote a book called The Wild Mindset, and it's about helping you get your mindset in a positive nature so that you can go after big goals and dreams that you have in your life. And it's a really positive book. It's written for outdoorsy people with the adventurous in mind. So it references a lot of things that hikers and skiers and mountain bikers would be familiar with. It's basically like a big art project, and I love it. I'm super proud of it. It's available on my website, wild-grit.com. All right, I am signing off. Thanks again for tuning in today's video, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye. Oh my gosh, I just saw a frog. Oh, it was a grasshopper, boy. Get out of here. Ugh.